You're listening to KTWR, broadcasting from the beautiful island of Guam. Our program is heard each Sunday at 10:26 Coordinated Universal Time, broadcasting on 13800 kilohertz in the 22-meter band. Coming up next is DXer Diary. This is KTWR, Agana, Guam, where hope knows no barriers.
Welcome to your favorite program, DX's Diary, a weekly show for the DXs across the world, produced and presented for Transworld Radio by Arun Kumar Narasimhan from Chennai in India. In this 5-minute program, we broadcast listeners' logs, band scans, news and frequency change by radio stations across the world. We are thankful to the listeners who have been regularly sending us band scans and listeners' logs for us to feature in this program. This week, Mr. Siddharth Bhattacharya has listened to MWV Radio's English program at 3:30 hours UTC on 13760 kHz with a SINPO of 444, and Radio Philippine in English on 17820 kHz with a SINPO of 444. There are a lot of interesting news happening in the world of radio. Across the world, so that our listeners and DXs can use them. Here is some of the interesting news from the world of radio. The year 2021 marks 100 years of amateur radio in India. Tracing India's amateur radio history from the article Brief History of Amateur Radio in Calcutta by Mr. Avinash Misra, Mr. Jose Jacob, a veteran DXer and amateur radio operator, reports that the history of ham radio began in India as early as 1921. The first Indian ham, late Mr. Amarendra Chandra Guptu, started his transmission in 1921 with a call sign 2 Juliet Kilo, 2 JK. He was a lone ham at that time, and so his radio transmission was a one-way traffic. Those having the receiving equipment could listen to his broadcast. 2 JK was followed by 2 Hotel Quebec, 2 HQ. Mukul Bose, who later changed his call sign to Victor Uniform 2 Hotel Papa, VU2 HP in 1922 and Victor Uniform 2 Alpha Golf VU2 AG, Loken Bose in 1924. So two-way ham radio contacts among Indians started in 1922 onwards. However, during the 1923s, 20 British hams were operating from India. India's first shortwave public broadcasting station belonged to Dr. Metcalfe, Victor Uniform 2, Kilo Hotel, VU2KH, a leading radio amateur and who was the Vice Chancellor of Mysore University. He and his group of radio amateurs established an entertainment public radio broadcasting station, Victor Uniform 6 Alpha Hotel, VU6AH, in the year 1935, and had listeners all over India. Amateur radio licensing was closed and ham radio equipment were taken away by the authorities when World War II broke out in 1939. At the end of World War II, the authorities started issuing temporary amateur radio operators license from 1946. By the beginning of 1948, there were hardly 50-odd licensed hams, of which a dozen or so were active. We are at the end of the program now. Listeners can send their logs, band scans, reception report, views and opinion about the program to DX's Diary. I repeat, it's DEXRSDIARY@gmail.com. We do urge our listeners to keep emailing us the reception reports to our program. we will send you QSL cards at the earliest. Until next week, this is Arun Kumar Narasimhan signing off. 73. Bye-bye.